Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now we all know that as the episodes are going forth with Izingane Temple, that the heat is just gonna get worse and worse. We know at some point, you guys, there's actually gonna be an actual fight between Uvuyokazi and Tirelo. And another fight between Ulwanhle and I don't know who else because I didn't get to see that one properly. But we know there's going to be a couple of fights that are still to come. So, our girl Tirelo, Uguti, she is, the girl of spice. She put up the status, and I feel like this was her actually like letting us know something about her. She put up the status, and it reads as follows: I'm actually a very self-aware person. I just like to do stuff for the plot sometimes. Let's read that again. I'm actually a very self-aware person. She says she's a self-aware person, and she says, I just like to do stuff for the plot. Guys, plot twist. She likes doing things for the plot sometimes. And I think this speaks to sometimes when we see Tirelo, we just like, yeah, like okay, she's very insecure and all of that. So Tirelo, according to that status, which is obviously not written by her, you guys, again, when a person shares a status, it basically means the person who's sharing it, the sharist, shares the same sentiments as the person who actually wrote the status. So she's basically saying, when you guys see me do all of those things, it's not that uthi angiziboni, or it's not that I don't see myself and I don't notice certain things. I'm actually very self-aware. I know what I'm doing. And she says that she basically just likes to be she doesn't mind being Cruella. Yeah, she doesn't mind being Cruella in a story, and she likes, she likes putting the spice. She likes, putting in the plot twist there and there. And I'm just like, I picked that up. Honestly, I picked that up about Tirelo, that sometimes she says certain things that she knows very well. It's a different thing, like a person like Snare, for instance. You can see Snare just says whatever comes to her mind. Tirelo will say something intentionally, and she knows that it's going to aggravate or it's going to rub whoever's hearing it. She knows it's going to rub them off the wrong way. So even certain things that she says about Uvuyokazi, it's not that uzishe a mistake or anything. She knows what she's doing. Girl knows what she's doing. That's the vibe that I get from her. But she does this, guys. She just likes a plot. She likes the plot twist. And that's one thing that people just don't get about Tirelo. They don't appreciate the plot twist type of things because people take these things personally. And maybe to Tirelo, it's all fun and games. Well, I do guess, guys, that yes, between Tirelo and Uvuyokazi, they don't like one another like that. But I feel like Tirelo not lives off, but she enjoys just like poking Uvuyokazi basically. And the thing about Tirelo, like she'll say it so calmly while she looks unbothered or something like that. I don't know. I guess she takes pleasure out of it, or maybe it's not that deep for her. I don't know, you guys, but clearly if she says she likes the plot twist, it's really not that. Some things are really not that deep for her. And yeah, so maybe you guys, if you are listening to this part of the video, maybe you guys should give Tirelo a chance, you guys, Don't be so stuck in your ways, because you know what? Chances are you guys is not going to be around next season, or maybe you guys are going to take your loyalty towards Vuyokazi and give it towards Unosipho. We don't know if Unosipho is even going to be there or what's going to be happening, but I'm just saying, open up to Vuyokazi, because open up to Tirelo. What I meant is open up to Tirelo, because yeah, these two women are in the same position. Tirelo didn't take Vuyokazi's man and vice versa. The only thing is that Tirelo, like, she has her own special personality, you guys. Yeah, and I'm not trying to speak for her or anything like that, but that's what Tirelo says, guys. So please take that with a pinch of salt, or take that with a I don't know. Whatever you take hard stuff with, I truly don't know. But tell me what you think about the video. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.